Hello, this is a kind of study between the US stock market, S&P, and the astrology. First, we look at the turning point here. On that date, it is in February 18th. There is a decline of the prices, of course, because, due to the coronavirus. But if you look at the planet, it's the Mercury started to retrograde. This means moving backward. And the end of the retrograde period on 17th March. Then the prices recovered. And there is an important date here. It's the Mercury, before that, the Mercury entered into Pisces. Okay, this means it changed the sign. And change sign, usually we have the stock prices with certain kind of effect. Okay, and after several days, it really rose up. And there was a important date that the Mercury squared the Moon, and squaring it normally is very bad. It's not too good for market, and so there was a slight drop, and here is it coincided with the stochastic indicator decline here, crossover, become bearish. And 3 days later, Mercury the Neptune, and it was a positive sign for market, and so it rose up again. And on this date, April 11, the Mercury changed sign, entered into Aries. Both Pisces and Aries are usually bullish, so that the bullish trend continued. But as I mentioned yesterday, there was a crossover of stochastic here, and it may stay up on the bullish side or may go down, nobody knows, but it happened to have a kind of doji, so we have to take care. And there is a date, Mercury was square the Pluto, so on this date, which is the 24th of April, there might be some kind of disturbance to the market again. And on this day, that 27th April, and Mercury would change sign and entered into Taurus. But Taurus is always a positive for market, so might be there's some kind of correction and then up again, nobody knows, of course. But all in all, it's very important to note the retrograde period. And most of the time, you have the Mercury retrograde, the market normally would go down. Of course, there's not a crystal ball for astrology, but it can add to the toolbox for technical analysis of prices, because I know nothing about fundamental, and the only way they can do for conquering the market. Thank you.